Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Mistral Vibe on Linux operating system, such as Fedora, Red Hat, SUSC, etc. So to get the software, in Google search box, write there Mistral Vibe, then go on this mistral.ai site. Let's click this. Then you can get Mistral Vibe keep shipping this. Now here you have this command. So let's copy this command. Thereafter, the next is let's open their terminal. So this here terminal. So currently this is now this come there. Simply into paste this command. After that, this is not required. Let's close this. So here you can see curl. With the help of this curl that I'm going to install their Mistral Vibe. Now press enter. So starting Mistral Vibe. So this here or currently this is downloading the UV. Linux GNU is starting Mistral Vibe installation. So you can see detected Linux operating system UV is not installed. So currently this is installing, and this here that's going to preparing total package 89s are there. So I think this installed there. So here you can see two executed Vibe successfully. So here after let's use this killer command. Now writing this place Vibe version to get the version, and here you can see 270 that install. So when you write this Vibe, so this is now that's come there. Welcome to Mistral Vibe. So this is a beautiful idea there. So press enter to continue. Now thereafter here you need to give the API key. So API key or let's click this. So here you can get the API key by using this Mistral or login, or you can do with the Apple. This is Google or Microsoft. So let's use their Gmail. Here you need to give the email. Can click here generate your API, and after that you can paste inside there, and thereafter you can start using Mistral Vibe.